Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we are going to see about Object Query Language, OQL. It's almost similar to SQL, but here we can only perform select query. OQL is a platform supported module. First I can start with installation. Very straightforward thing. I'm just creating one new blank application, OQL test. First thing I need to download the OQL module. I'm just downloading it. I see some errors in community comments, so I'm just downloading the dependency as well. Still some errors, those I need to clear manually only. I'm just clearing it. Also I need one more module, MX model reflection. I just download that one as well. Very straightforward, installation done. Now I'm just creating one entity for small demo. I'm just creating many attributes with different types. Okay, it's done. Now I'm just generating the overview pages. In home page, I'm just creating the navigation for MX model reflection, then newly created object, overview page, and finally the OQL snippet. Okay, now I'm just executing the application. First thing, I'm just enabling the model in the MX model reflection. For testing, I'm just adding one data. Yeah, data was saved. Now I'm going to execute the OQL query. I'm just copying the model name and entity name. It's executed. Also, we can able to download a CSV format as well. In this video, majorly we are going to use this domain model entities only. Customer, order line, address, component. These entities only we are going to use. Mostly customer first name, last name, name. These are we are going to use majorly. And also order date, address, city, order line, price, and component. This one we are using for join. First thing, select class. Select specific attributes. Everything straightforward only here. We can able to specifically select the attributes here. For this example, in this query, I'm just selecting the first name, last name alone here. Now select all attributes. With using asterisk symbol, we can able to specify this one. In this example, we can able to see all the attributes of the particular entity. Now selecting distinct attribute, that means unique attributes. So here we are using distinct keyword. In this example, we are going to see the distinct customer type. So we have only two customer type distinct. Yeah, correct. Only two, gold card and first timer. Now we are going to see the var class. It's nothing but condition based. For example, here just I am finding the first name Manigandan. Var class using multiple operators. We are going to see one by one. First one, arithmetic operator. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modular division. Okay, we can go with examples. First example in var condition, I'm just putting 10 plus 10, which means 20. It's correct only. Now this one more important example, I'm just selecting all the order lines. Now I'm just selecting only product ID, price plus 100, quantity plus 2. It's executing, so I'm just giving alias name as well. For comparison, I'm just adding the actual attributes as well. For this kind of example will be used in many places in real time. Assignment operator is nothing but equal to. No need example, but even I'm just showing. For all kind of data type, we can able to compare with equal to. Now comparison operator, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, everything comes under comparison operator. This one also very straightforward, I don't need to give the examples properly. Not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, all straightforward. Logical operators, and or not. And means both condition true, then only true. Or means either of the condition is true, also true. Not means other than the condition. I hope it's understandable. For example, first name Manigandan, last name Kamraj, both have uncondition. So it will fetch the data of both condition true. For the second case, it will consider both. Third one, other than city Rotterdam. Let me show the examples as well. Same examples. I hope it's clear. Now miscellaneous operator. We can start with like operator. Like operator working as per pattern matches. Wildcard character. You guys can understand with using examples. Without wildcard, which is almost similar to equal to. For example, like Manigandan, it will find the exact Manigandan word matching data only. 3 wildcards, percentage sign, which is nothing but one or more characters. So you guys can able to understand from the examples. Maybe if I don't know the exact complete data, if I know only the starting or ending or in between characters, which kind of scenarios this percentage sign will be very helpful to identify the exact words. I hope it's understandable what is ends with and contains. This one is very important. We are using many times in the day-to-day life. Second wildcard underscore sign, which is represent one single character. For example, A underscore BU. I don't know the exact name. Now I found it's Anbu. Third wildcard backslash, which is using as escape character. For example, your data contains some special character. Then in this case, you need to use this backslash only. In this example, without slash, percentage symbol act as a first wildcard. Combine wildcards, the name itself understandable, which is hybrid. All the 3 wildcards you can combine and get the result. In operator, any value in the subquery or comma separated list. First example, if you guys are seeing, city will be comma separated. Amsterdam, New Delhi and New York will be comma separated, which is equal to city equal to Amsterdam, city equal to New Delhi, city equal to New York. Logically or condition, so I hope you guys understand. Similarly, we are using in operator for subqueries as well. In this example, Amsterdam condition is part of subquery. Exist operator, which is also similar to in operator. For example, the subquery having the value of Monaco, then only the main query will be visible. Case operator, which means switch case. With input, without input, we have 2 ways. Here we are using 4 keywords: case, when, else, end. First example, I'm just selecting product ID, price along with description. For description, I'm using case here. The case is very simple. We need to print the price description. Price greater than 1000, then the price is greater than 1000. Price equal to 1000, then price is 1000. Else price is under 1000. I hope it's understand. I'm just executing the example. Now the second way, case with the attribute name. Case first name, when Anbu, then money. Else first name, end name. It's very straightforward. For example, wherever the first name is Anbu, it will be replaced with money. Remaining all will be the first name only. Let me run the example as well. You guys know 3 place Anbu will be there. Now 3 place money will be there. Instead of money, I'm just changing to Surya. It will be changed. If I'm adding one more case also, it will be work. For example, now I'm just changing first name bad to good. Group by class. Before knowing this class, we should know some aggregate functions. Average, count, maximum, minimum and sum. Everything from the name itself you guys can able to understand, I guess. Average, count, sum, minimum, maximum. Everything very straightforward. With using this aggregate function, we can able to group some columns. First example, I'm going to group the first name column with the count. You guys know we have 3 Anbus. Let me just check now. Anbu has 3. Yeah, it's correct. Having is nothing but whenever you're using group by class, instead of where you need to use having for the condition. I want to find Anbu again. Yeah, 3. Order by class, which is used for sorting. You guys are aware, we have 2 types, ascending and descending. I don't need to explain more about this one. You guys see the example. Ascending, A to Z are small to largest. Descending, Z to A are largest to smallest. Limit and offset. Limit, we can restrict the rows limit. Offset is nothing but a start position. Again some straightforward examples. Please see. You guys can specify both limit and offset also together. Now we are going to see the OQL functions. We are starting with cast function. It's kind of typecasting. We can able to change the data type to any data type as per the below table. In OQL, mostly we are using this for date actually, because we are getting date as a opaque format. In this example, birthday date field, I'm just typecasting to string. Coalesce function, which will return all the not null data. Example, any null data is available, then it will not be get listed here. Date part function, with this function we can able to get the particular value of date. For example, we can able to retrieve year, quarter, month, day of year, day, week, weekday, hour, minute, second, everything. Also we can able to specify the time zone as well. In this example, I'm just finding Manikandan's birthday, day of year, 187. What is day actually then? Okay, 6. But which is wrong? It should be 7. Let me just put the time zone as well now. I am putting time zone as Asia, Kolkata. Now what is the result? It's 7. It's correct. Date diff function, which is find the difference between dates. Here also we can able to find year, quarter, month, day, week, hour, minute, second, etc. Also time zone also will be available here. In this example, I'm just finding whose age greater than 18. We can see one more example with time zone as well. One more example to find the age. Now I'm adding time zone as well. Length function, you guys understand this one, which will indicate string length. Example, Manikandan has 10 characters. Round function, which will help to find the round figure of the number. For example, I don't want any decimal points, so I need to put comma 0. If I need to put accordingly. Lower function, which is help to convert lowercase. Example, upper function, which is helps to convert uppercase. Again example, replace function, which is helps to replace the particular word or character. This one also most used one. For example, I'm just replacing VA with A. Because of this one, Varun become Arun. Range begin and range end. For understanding this one, we should understand the parameters. Parameters will be starts with $sign. Each parameter we have separate Java action. We need to call this one. Whenever the parameter will not be available, the condition will be ignored. One example. Final topic, joins. Joins are used to combine 2 or more entities. It has many types. Simple join. Both entities we are just giving alias name and separating with comma and checking with condition where. In where condition we must check unique identifier of both entity. It should be common to both entity. Inner join, as similar to diagram, it will fetch the common data of both entity. Here format is different, we need to use inner join keyword along with on keyword for condition. Example, this also gives the same result only. Left outer join, all records of left entity and matching records of right entity. Here instead of inner join, we need to use left outer join or left join. Same on we need to use for the condition. I hope now you guys can able to understand, I guess. All the joins little straightforward only. We can able to get to know from the name itself. Thanks for watching. All the best.